We're doing CAD drawings. Look, cardboard aided design.
That's right.
This will be copyright material.
Ah, that's alright.
All right.
How's it gonna come out?
What? Yeah. How am I going to get that out?
Oh, Alright, folks. What have we got? Oh, yeah. So we've got a Reese hitch, trailer hitch from a Commodore. So now we're marked out a cut. We're gonna cut that out to make up some plates to mount this, so we can get towed if we break down, which we probably will. Good job. Now what? So what? Like we're gonna mount to these where the bull bar mounts. The bull bar mounts to these points, so we're just gonna have a drop off and then mount the hitch. So we'll do the silly joke that you do
Silly joke.
about CAD, yeah.
Oh yeah, guys. Like no one's told this joke before. We're doing CAD drawings. Look. Whoa.
What's CAD? What's CAD stand for?
Cardboard aided design.
That's right.
So funny.
You're killing them.
Yeah.
All right, so we cut the front bumper lip out with an angle grinder, and now we need to figure out how to mount the tow hitch, the front tow hitch. So we've got a bit of cardboard, and we're going to mark the rough shape and where the holes go. And while he's doing that, I'm going to grind this thing apart. That's right. Perfectly good tow hitch is going to get destroyed.
We have to destroy it.
It's non-compliant.
Non-compliant. I'm sorry. I guess that's
We don't even have a badge on this though. Look.
There's no badge. When you drive one or the other, you got to like say, "Oh, the other car's crap."
I hate Holden because it's not Ford.
It's not as reliable as the other car.
You gotta fabricate a whole bunch of myths.
Yeah, that's right.
To make yourself feel good about your life. So just ground this factory thing apart. There's the bits over there. So that way we're gonna have some ground clearance. Otherwise, this thing was like sitting like that. It's just, you know, it's gonna be the first thing that digs in. And while I'm doing that, Con's doing something else. Oh yeah.
No, I'm going to see if I can take the axle out to
I'll just count the splines.
well, to have a look at the bearings and yeah, count the splines as well.
Yeah, okay. Do you want a tip? Oh, is that spring?
What's going on here?
It obviously broke.
What is this? What's happening here?
The cable broke.
Oh,
Is that the cable?
yeah, I don't know. What's going on?
I've got to redo the brakes.
Something happened here.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky I took it apart.
We were probably drunk when we were putting this together.
You reckon?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay.
Just incompetence.
Look. So, you've seen the factory Holden tow bar. We've cut it all up. We've moved this thing up. the actual receiver. So now it's pretty much butted up to the section there. We've cut out some flat bar there, and we've mounted it to where the bull bar mounts. So everything's just held up with the jack, transmission jack. So what we've got to do is just going to tack it in, and then take the whole thing out and fully weld it. See? So we've got the things coming down. So nothing's been welded yet. This is just all sitting there. So we just need to put a couple of tacks here and there, and then we can go and weld it.
So I guess we've got to explain why we need to do this.
So the reason why we need to do this is because this opens up.
And there's candies inside.
This goes in, right? Tongue. And there's a bowl goes here. So if we break down, and we probably will.
No, don't say that. We won't.
Okay, I won't say that.
No, okay.
A truck can come along, support truck, and just treat this car as a trailer.
Yes.
So rather than having all these ropes, having someone inside the car, it's dangerous. It's not safe.
Yep.
So what they'll do, they'll just hitch this car up to the truck and strap the steering wheel so the steering doesn't move, put it in neutral gear, and it can be towed for hundreds of kilometers,
So chuck it in there. Let's have a look.
Oh, this might move.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, you
get the idea.
This
Oh,
goes
okay.
in,
Yeah.
and then the bolt goes here. And if this is not here, we're just going to have a towing.
We've got a
insert.
tow hitch, like
Yeah.
an actual eyelet.
Yeah.
Somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
Oh no. Here we go. This thing.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Let's take it out.
Unboxing video.
Whoa. Unbelievable.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at this.
They look
Oh
brand
my
new.
god. Look at that powder coating. Oh. Man, I'm very impressed.
Does it work? That's the question. Yeah, that's it. Does it fit?
Should go in, I mean, it's a bit tight. Might have to grind it a bit. But
Okay.
Yeah, we're taking it out after we tacked it in. And then Con's gonna put the welder to full send. And he's gonna weld it as much as he can. Every surface, and it's gonna be strong as hell. And it's gonna do the job.
BCF wanted $30 for it.
For a pin, no, that's.
And I took a photo of it and I sent it to you. So I wasn't lying.
Yeah, it was just a bit of flat bar.
Maybe she had like Barbie's head in there or something.
Yeah, round bar, yeah.
Alright.
How's it going to come out?
Yeah, how am I going to get that out?
Oh shit.
She's going to get it stolen.
Well, no one's going to steal it.
Can't get it out.
Oh, shit. Dude.
Well, we can't break down. We can only get.
Okay, we won't break down then. I was planning on breaking down,
Yeah,
but
we can't.
alright.
We can't get this out. Maybe just take this off. Oh, I'm so impressed with this powder coating.
You should be, because that's from BCF.
Yeah. Done.
Everyone can look up our registration online.
Please look it up. Yeah, so we installed a tow hitch at the front.
It's all there. There it is.
Yeah, there it is. Not sure what that clearance is now.
Neither do I.
Looks like about 20 centimeters.
Yeah?
That's alright.
Okay.
But obviously, yeah, it does limit the approach angle, but you know, it's alright.
But in other news, we've got this registered.
Yeah, we've got the car regoed, and we're pretty happy about it.
Mm-hmm.
And with only 3 weeks to go as well.
Are we ready?
Yeah, no, we are ready.
Yeah, of course we are. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
It's a joyous occasion.
That was so joyous.
Yes.
Yeah, really nice play. Testing out a Con's twin tank theory. So we welded another flange to the tank, so hopefully when this tank fills up it will spill over by this and fill this tank. So that's what we're testing out. It's filling up. So tank number 1 is almost full to the brim, and it's just starting to flow into tank 2. Take it to get a wheel alignment.
A wheel alignment.
Yeah. I'm going to be driving this car
Okay.
for a whole week to test it.
This is the test. Can we...
We're going to take it in the bush, but we don't have time. So.
What on earth did we actually do today?
So we'll put chipboard on the top.
Yeah.
We sorted out the charging problem.
There was a charging problem. It wasn't
yeah.
charging fully.
Dodgy cable, we replaced it.
And
we fitted auxiliary battery to run the fridge. That's a pretty good win.
comments below, please. Please let us know.
2 weeks left till we leave. Like
2
really,
weeks.
Like 2 weeks.
That means we've only got like
One
technically
weekend.
4 days of work on this
We've
thing.
got 1 weekend to make this
One
work.
weekend.
We're just gonna send it.
We're gonna send it.
We're just gonna send it.
Oh look, it starts right up.
What do you know?
Yeah. Electric windows. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Broken rear windows. Oh, did we actually explain what happened there?
When we were tacking the rack,
AKA me.
when sometimes a bit of molten metal just drips on the glass, and then it just like really stresses it,
Yeah.
and then eventually the glass cracked like within last week or something.
Yes.
So we've got to replace the rear window. Hope it doesn't shatter on me.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna go get some fuel.
Yep. Get some fuel. Is there enough fuel?
It's showing like half a tank.
Half a
but
tank.
I don't know how accurate that is.
Okay. Get some fuel. Hey, test the lock to lock as well, because I put the tabs are welded tabs on the
Oh, yeah.
the stops.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. All right. Godspeed, my friend. Godspeed.